Hey guys, Matt here. Today I'm starting off my voiceover course here on YouTube. It's going to be going across multiple videos. It's going to cover a range of topics including mic position, mic choice, room treatment, inflections, making your read believable, reading to time if you're doing things for radio, TV. It's really important. There'll be a few other things as well, but essentially what I want to do is try and cover all of these bases for you and give you the tools to be able to start doing voiceover work for yourself. I was lucky enough to have people in my past, producers, voiceover artists, that believed in me and believed that I could do it and helped to coach me while standing in the studio reading. It's a bit nerve-wracking, but essentially they coached me and it was something that they gave to me. And so, you could go out and spend a lot of money on courses and, that's fine. But really for me, I just want to give back. So this is my way of giving back. I started out in a marketing company. I was working with different voiceover artists and studios. I had some voiceover artists say, hey, you know what? You could be doing voice work. And I was like, okay, sure. And then I had some producers say the same thing. So that gave me the confidence to at least give it a try. And when I gave it a try, I got pushed really hard and I asked the producers to just push me really, really hard to do better and better and always looking for that next level. And if it wasn't for these guys, I wouldn't be doing what I'm doing these days. I'm voicing every day of the week now for Australia, and I have business in China and I've had business in England, so essentially you can be doing this too. You've just got to get these right tools. Lately, I've been doing a lot of production work with voiceovers coming from all over the country, and I'm hearing a lot of common problems, and these are people that are doing it all the time, and there's still problems that I'm hearing that are making my job as a producer more difficult. It makes the creative writers' jobs and the agencies, all of these people are on the receiving end and they're having to deal with these problems as well. So what I want to try and do is help you guys, if you're starting out, even if you've been doing it for a while, to be able to iron out these problems and, move into the future with better audio, a better product, being able to get more work, better work, having happier producers and clients. So stay tuned and make sure you follow along, subscribe. You don't have to like this video. No, like this video. That'd be a good idea. Leave your comments below if you'd like to hear anything else, any specifics to do with voiceovers that you can think of. Hopefully I cover all the bases for you guys anyway, but if there's something specific you want to hear, definitely let me know. Stay tuned for the first video. See you then.